Hello, how do we simplify this kind of problem? Solution. So we have square root of 53 minus 10 times square root of 6. Let's consider this guy first. So we can write 10 times square root of 6 as 10 can be written as 2 times 5. We can write square root of 6 as square root of 2 times square root of 3. So let's write this guy. We can write it as 2 into 5 root 2 times square root of 3. So we are going to replace 10 times root 6 with this guy. So let's substitute this guy here. So we're going to have square roots. So this equals square root of 53 minus this guy, 2 times 5 times root 2 times square root of 3. So let's proceed further. So this equals, so now let us consider this guy. So we have 5 root 2. So we're going to square it, equals, this can be written as 5 square times square root of 2 square. So this equals 5 square, that is 25. Square root of 2 all square, so 2 cancels the square root, so we have 2. So this equals 50. So 5 times root 2 all square is equals to 50. So let's just isolate this. So now let's consider square root of 3. So we're going to square it. Square root of 3 all square, that is 3. So let us add this guy. So we're going to have 5 times root 2 all square plus square root of 3 all square equals 50 plus 3. That is 53. So we're going to replace 53 with this guy here. So we're going to have square root. So we're going to have 5 times square root of 2 all square plus square root of 3 all square minus this guy, 2 times 5 root 2 times square root of 3. So now let us rewrite this guy. So we're going to have square root. So you have 5 root 2 all square plus minus 2 into 5 root 2 times square root of 3 plus root 3 all square. Now we have to recall one properties. That is, a minus b all square is the same thing as a square minus 2ab plus b square. You will observe that a here is 5 root 2 and b is root 3. So when you plug all these values here, we are going to have the left hand side. So this equals, so from this guy we're going to have square root of, what is a? That is 5 root 2. So we're going to have 5 root 2 minus, what is b? That is root 3. So we have square root of 3 all square. So in this case, this equals 2 cancel the square root, so we have 5 root 2 minus square root of 3. So therefore, our question, which is square root of 53 minus 10 root 6, so we have square root of 53 minus 10 root 6 is simply equals to 5 root 2 minus root 3. So this is the required solution. That's it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.